Hello guys, I want to show you in this video how to go online and download things like furniture and appliances, even lighting and everything else from Revit City or any other online resource. There's a lot of resources out there. Revit City, I've used that one for a long time. And this is basically how you get to it. You just type in Revit City and it should be the first thing you come up with. Click on that. Before you can download anything, you have to join. You have to start an account. So you'd click on the join button, use all this appropriate information, use your school email address. That will be easiest for you to access these downloads on, or the things that they email you, in other words, which isn't very much. But use your school email address, fill this out, and then click join down at the bottom. They will send you a confirmation email to your school email address, and you will go into your email account and look in either your junk or your spam files, and you'll see it in there. And you just do what it asks you to do. Typically just click on a link to confirm your address, and then you're in. Okay, I'm going to log in because I have already have an account, and I'm going to go to downloads. All right, and I am looking here at keywords. So basically anything that you want, just type in a keyword to bring a selection of those items up. Now this is a simpler database, and doesn't really take really complex terms. You might want a sink of some type. Just type in sink, and it comes up with all different types of sinks. Here are some with the a U-shaped countertop included. This one looks like it's the different parts of a sink, and all kinds of stuff, all kinds of sinks. Then when you find what you want, you just click on where it says download now, and just give it a minute or so. And as you see, it downloaded to my browser right over here on the bottom left. I recommend you use Chrome to do this with, or Google. I've had problems with Edge and Internet Explorer as far as getting things downloaded properly. After you download it, what you're going to do is click on it, and it will open the file in Revit. Okay, give it a minute here. It's probably already open. I've got my Revit already open down here. Okay, so it says, here's the message I get. It says, failed to initialize the add in Site Designer because the assembly target. Okay, I don't think that has anything to do with that download I just did. Okay, so let's go back. And do that again. Maybe it was, maybe it had something to do with the actual file I chose. Maybe it just wasn't a good file, which you sometimes run across that. All right, so let's just pick anything. Download now. And it's going to drop it right down here in just a minute, I think. There we go. It's working. It is going awfully slow. There it goes. It's right over here now. So after it gets downloaded, I click. Okay, and this is what should have happened last time. But it tells me that my model needs to be upgraded from Revit 2017 to Revit 2020. Go ahead and click upgrade the model. You have to, or you won't be able to use it. So what it does is it makes some upgrades to the model, and it opens the model right here on your Revit page. Now your house plan is still over here in another tab. Okay. Okay, so it's still over there in another tab. And how do I get this in my plan is I can load into project and close. So that will load it into my project, plus it'll go ahead and close this tab. Or I can just load it into project. I'm going to load and close. And I've got a couple of different things open. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay, and then you just place it wherever it is supposed, wherever you need it, whatever the item is. I don't even know what that item is, because I just chose something at random, and then place it wherever you need it. I'm curious, what was that? Some sort of passageway through a wall. Pull it out some there. There you go. Have no idea what that is. Say maybe it'll. And it's not even in English, I don't think. Okay, but anyway, that's how that works. And you can do that with any type of furniture, any piece of furniture, any appliance that you desire, as long as it's in the system. You can also use other websites. GrabCAD is another good one to use. I'll let you navigate to that one on your own and check that out.